Let's say you got a piano on an instrument track and a reverb that is applied to an effects track, something like this. And you would now like to continue working with that reverb, but therefore you need this as an audio, of course. The question is, how do we get that reverb as an audio file? Create a new stereo audio track, and if your reverb is on an effects track, you can select it here and press Add Track. Now you can start a recording on your new audio track that you just created, and it will automatically record the reverb. And if we listen back to it, we can hear that there's only reverb on that track, but not the original piano. Now you can move it around, transpose it, chop up the signal, and do whatever you like. I hope you found this video helpful.